Hello everyone. In this, we will start with this quantitative techniques, which is there for BCA 5th semester as per the new education policy syllabus. Unit 1's part 1, we are going to revise it. So let us start. The first question, show that 4832718 is divisible by 11. So now, sum of numbers in odd positions. Here, odd positions, the numbers are 8, and then 7, and then 3, and then 4. If we add this, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 8, 22. Then sum of numbers in even positions. Here it is 1 plus 2 plus 8. The total is 11. Sum of these two numbers will be 33. 33 is divisible by 11. Hence, we can say that 4832718 is divisible by 11. So that will be the proof of this. Next question. The number 89715938 is divisible by 4. The unknown 0 digit marked as star will be what? So here a number is divisible by 4 if its last two digits is divisible by 4. Here, the last two digits are 8 and star. So since the number is divisible by 4, this 8 star should be divisible by, implies this should be divisible by 4. And since it is a non-zero number, non-zero digit, since the star is a non-zero digit, either it can be 4, means 84, 84 will be divisible by 4, or it can be 88, means 8. So star can be either 4 or 8. So that is the solution for this. Let us move on to the next. Find the sum of the place values of 3 in the number 503535. 3 appears in 10th place and also in 1000th place in this number. So the place value of 3 in 10th place will be 3 into 10. Place value of 3 in 1000th place will be 3 into 1000. So this will be 30. This will be 3000. Now sum of this will be 3030. That is the answer for this. Let us move on to the next. Find the least number which is exactly divisible by 32, 36, 45, 60 and 80. The least number will be the LCM of 32, 36, 45, 60, and 80. So let us apply common division method to find the LCM. So we'll take all those numbers 32, 36, 45, 60, and 80. First, let us choose 5. 32, we have to write it because it is not divisible. This one will become 9. This will become 12. This will be 16. Now let us choose 3. 32, 3 12s are, 3 3s are, 3 4s are. This will be 16. Again, let us choose 3. 32, 4s are, 1s are, 4, 16. Let us choose now 2, 16, 2, 1, 2, 8. Again 2, 8, 1, 1, 1, 4. Again choosing 2, we get 4, 1, 1, 1, 2. Again 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Therefore, LCM of 32, 36, 45, 60, and 80 will be 5 multiplied by how many 3s are there? 2 3s are there. How many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 power 5. So if we multiply this, we get 5 into 9 into 32. 5 into 9 into 32 will be 1440. That is the least number, which is exactly divisible by 32, 36, 45, 60, and 80. Let us move on to the next question. Question on HCF. Find the HCF of 513, 1134, and 1215 by division method. So first, we'll have to choose the least two numbers, that is 513 and 1134. Let us divide. So it goes by 2 times. We get 1026. The remainder will be 108. That remainder will become now quotient, divisor, and 513 will become the dividend. Again, we get 4. The result will be 432. The remainder will be 81. 81 remainder become now new divisor. 108 will become dividend. So 181, we get 727. Now 81 you bring here as the dividend. This goes 3 times, 81, 0. Since the remainder has become 0, this 27 is the HCF of 513 and 1134. Now we need to consider the HCF what we obtained, 27 and 1215. And let us divide. So 27 will be the divisor, 1215 will be the dividend. If you divide, it goes 45 times 1215. Remainder is 0. That means this will be the HCF. We say now 27 is the HCF of 27 and 1215. Therefore, 27 is the HCF of all the 3 numbers. 513, 1134, and 1215. That is the solution for this. Let us move on to the next question on LCM and HCF. Here, if they says if the product of 2 numbers is 3, 2, 4, their HCF is 3, then their LCM will be what? product of two numbers is equal to product of LCM and HCF. Means product of two numbers is given as 324 is equal to LCM into HCF. LCM we have to find, HCF is given as 3, which means our LCM will be 324 divided by 3. We get 108 as the LCM. That is the solution. Let us move on to the next. Evaluate, it's a decimal fraction question. Evaluate 31.004 minus 17.2386. Another one, 13 minus 5.1967. First, let us take the first question. First part, 31.004, 17.2386. So put a 0 here. Now let us subtract. This will become 4 because you will be taking 1 and 10 minus 6 is 4. This will become 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. This will become 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. This is again 9, 7. This is 10 means 3. This will be 2 means 1. So 13.7654. Second part, 13 minus of 5.1967. Put decimals, after decimals, this many zeros. 10 minus 7 is 3. This becomes 9. So 3, this will be 0. 9 minus 9, this will also become 8. 9 minus 1, 12 means this will be 7. So the result is 7.8033. Let us move on to the next question. It is about finding values of unknowns. Here they gave x plus y equal to 23, xy equal to 126. What is the value of x square plus y square? We know x plus y the whole square is x square plus y square plus 2xy. So here x plus y is 23 given. So it becomes 23 square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2 times x into y value is given as 126, which means 23 square. 23 square is 529 is equal to x square plus y square plus double times 126 is 252, which means our x square plus y square is 529 minus 252, which is 277. That is the solution. Let us move on. Question on operations. If a star is an operation such that x star y equal to 3x plus 2y, find the value of 2 star 3 plus 3 star 4. Now, first let us evaluate 2 star 3 equal to, wherever x is there, we are going to replace it with 2. Wherever y is there, we are going to replace it with 3. This is 6 plus 6, we get 12. Next, we will evaluate 3 star 4. Again, wherever x is there, we will replace it with 3. Wherever y is there, we will replace it with 4. So 9 plus 8, we get 17. Therefore, 2 star 3 plus 3 star 4 is equal to 12 plus 17. We get 29 as the result. So let us move on to the next question. By what least number 4320 be multiplied to obtain a number which is a perfect cube? For evaluating this, we will have to factorize first 4320. Consider 2, we get 2160. Again, considering 2, we get 1080. Again, 2, 540. Again, 2, 270. Now 3, we can consider 2, we get 135. We'll bring in 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 7s are 3, 9s are 3, 3s are. Therefore, we can write 4320 as 2 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 to the power of 5 multiplied by 5 to the power of 1 multiplied by 3 to the power of 3. Now, if we have to multiply it with some number, we have to multiply it with some number such that this becomes perfect cube. Means whatever after multiplication, it should become perfect cube. This 2 power 5, if I want that to become perfect cube, then I have to multiply it by 2. Similarly, this 5, I have to make it a cube, means I need to bring in 5 square. But here already it is like a cube. So hence the least number that should be multiplied to 4320 to make it a perfect cube will be 2 multiplied by 5 square, which is 2 multiplied by 25. So it becomes 50. So 50 is the number to be multiplied. Let us move on to the next. Simplify 1024 to the power of minus 4 by 5. This is actually minus. Yeah. So let me rewrite this. This is 1024 to the power of minus 5. Now for doing this, we need to first factorize 1024, or we know 1024 is nothing but 2 to the power of 10. So therefore, this is 2 to the power of 10 to the power of minus 4 by 5. That can be simplified. This goes with this 2 times. That means it becomes 2 to the power of minus 8, which is 1 by 2 power 8. 1 by 2 power 8 means 1 by 256. That is the solution for this. Let us move on to the next question. Part 2, 8 divided by 125 to the power of 2 by 3. In this, we can write the numerator 8 as 2 cube, denominator 125 as 5 cube, the whole thing to the power of 2 by 3, which can be further written as 2 by 5 to the power of 3 together to the power of 2 by 3. So this 3 and this 3 gets cancelled. 2 square now divided by 5 square, which will be 4 by 25. So this is the solution for this problem. Let us move on to the next. What is the value of logarithm of 5 log 100 to the base 10 to the base 10, the whole thing the square? So now we can rewrite this as logarithm of 5 log 100 can be written as 10 square to the base 10, the whole square. Now we can rewrite this as log, this 2, whatever power is there, that can be brought before logarithm, which means 5 into 2 logarithm of 10 to the base 10, the whole square. This is nothing but 1 and this is nothing but 10. So we can rewrite it as logarithm of 10 into 1, we ignore, and this was square. Again, this is 1. So you get 1 square, which is nothing but 1. So that is the result of this particular problem. Let us move on to the next. how many arrangements can be made from the letters of the word engineering? Now, if we count the number of letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total number of letters equal to 11. Number of E's present is 3. Number of N's is also 3. Then number of G's is 2. Number of I's is 2. Rest are all repeating only once, occurring only once. Therefore, number of arrangements equal to 11 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So that will be 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6, 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial. 3 factorial, I can write it as 6. This is 2, this is 2. So this 3 factorial cancels with this. This 6 can be cancelled with this. Then this 2 into 2, we can cancel straight away 4. So if we multiply this, we get 277, 200 ways. This many ways the word can be arranged. Let us move on to the next. It is a question on combination. In how many ways a committee of 6 members be selected from 7 men and 5 ladies, consisting of 4 men and 2 ladies? So here we'll create a small table, men, ladies. What is given as available? There are 7 men, 5 ladies. And we are supposed to select 4 men and 2 ladies. So therefore, number of ways for doing this selection is, you can choose 4 out of 7 men and 2 out of 5 ladies. So since there is an and, we will multiply. 7C4 is nothing but 7C3. Since NCR is NCN minus R, 5C2 is 5 into 4 by 2. So that will be 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 3 into 2. Cancelling this. And then 5 4s are 20. 20 by 2 is 10. 7 5s are 35. 35 into 10 is 350 ways. So that is the solution for this. Let us move on to the next question. 2 unbiased coins are tossed. What is the probability of getting at most 1 head? So 2 coins are tossed. So the sample space will be H, 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 T, T, H, T, T. Probability of getting at most 1 head means maximum 1 head. So maximum 1 head is, here we get 1 head, here we get 1 head, here we get 0 head. That means the result is favorable outcomes is 3. So the probability is 3 by 4. Let us move on to the next. What is the probability that a card drawn from a pack of 52 cards will be a diamond or a king? Let us define, let A is equal to event of drawing a diamond. Let B equal to event of drawing a king. So here we are supposed to find diamond or king. That means probability of A or B, which is probability of A union B, and that is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Probability of A, total possible outcomes in a playing cards is 52. And A means event of getting a diamond. There are 13 diamonds available. Next one, drawing a king. There are 4 kings available. A intersection B means it should be diamond also. It should be king also, means king diamond. There is only one king diamond. So let us subtract that 1 by 52. So we get 17 minus 1 by 52 or 16 by 52. Both are divisible by 4. We get 4 4s are 4 13s are. 4 by 13 is the result. Let us move on to the next. Find the odd man out. You may notice 6, 9, 15, 21, 24, 30. Except 28, all others are divisible by 3. So the odd man out is 28. Reason, since all other numbers are divisible by 3. Second part, 22, 33, 66, 99, 121, 279, 594. Again, you may notice here, except for 279, rest of the numbers are divisible by 11. All other numbers are divisible by 11. So that is the solution. Let us move on to the next. If in a certain language, Noida is coded as OPJEB, you may notice O, the first letter O is the next letter in English alphabet after N. After O in English alphabet, P comes. After I, J comes. After D, E comes. After A, B comes, which means the coding is done as next letter to whatever number. So based on that, Delhi will be coded as, after D it is E, after E it is F, after L it is M, after H, I, G, H, I, J. So it will become EFMIJ. That will be the coding for Delhi based on this trial. Let us move on to the next. A and B are sisters. C and D are brothers. A's daughter is D's sister. How is B related to C? Here, B is the sister of A. Then they give us A's daughter is D's sister, which means D is the son of A. Since C and D are brothers, C is also son of A. Hence, B is the aunt of C. So that is the solution for this. Let us move on to the next question. P and Q are married couple. So let us say P and Q are married couple. Then they say X and Y are sisters. And then they say X is the sister of P. Which means Y is also the sister of P. Which means Y is the sister-in-law of Q. So that is the solution for this particular problem.